Сейчас пошел покупать насадку. Сегодня будет дождик. Пока, в общем, к счастью, его нету, но я думаю, что к моменту, когда мы будем спускать лодку, дождь уже пойдет. Сегодня будем пробовать новые колонки, которые я поставил. Сухую прикормку. Что там еще будем пробовать? И что-то еще. Вот. Нет еще 7 часов утра. Сколько на часах? На часах 6:39. Магазин рыболовный уже открыт. So we're gonna try auxiliary motor today. Hopefully it starts. Because last time I had issues starting it.
So everything is good.
What the fuck? One sec.
Come off is the question. But I think if it's held tight with the anchor and to this here, it shouldn't come off, no?
I don't know, like I have rope with me so we can
You want to tie as well?
yeah, so that's why I took this.
Oh
just,
yeah, choice, man.
just piece of rope, and we're gonna do that. Just small piece of rope. No, I don't think it's gonna work, guys. So what I would do, give me this. So what I'm gonna do, I think that's the.
Oh, tie like that?
No, you can, but.
Oh yeah, see.
No.
Yes.
Fuck.
All good, just leave it open. Now there's the big hole.
Fuck.
There we go, brother. Nice. There goes 8 meters. Let some more out.
of current.
Yeah, lots here. We can move over there soon if we need to. There's a lot of current here.
Should we move it straight away?
So we can have a little fish. See what happens. Oh yeah, there's a lot of current. But what I'm thinking is, if we sit in the current for a little bit, all the fish come, and then when we get there, they'll come.
They will follow.
Yeah, they'll follow.
Okay.
So I'm gonna drag the belly to show you.
Do you know WD-40?
Yep.
Do you know they use it as a fish attractant?
Really?
Yeah, have you heard about that?
No.
I want to try it because there's a lot of rumors around that.
Wow.
So there's basically kerosene, and they say it's really working. Like I was gonna buy one for today, but I just didn't have time for this.
Actually, I had heard this from a very old man. He used to say his bait got smelly, so he would soak the bait in the kerosene.
Yeah.
Just to stop the smell, but
Yeah.
it would still catch lots of fish because of the oil from the kerosene. Yeah.
Funny.
There's so much current here, bro. It's insane. Yeah. Wonder what the tide is doing for the day. It seemed like it was coming in. I think so.
We can check now.
I think it was coming in because when we had the boat ramp, the water seemed to get a bit deeper.
This is where we are.
Yeah, coming up? Yep, thought so.
What do you think? Do you think it's the leader is too short already?
It wasn't as short as my one. I just cut it off.
Okay.
I'm not sure
No,
about
like-
the size.
Yeah, of course. Like nobody knows that for sure. But what do you personal preference for the length?
I think longer is better, but
Yeah,
yeah,
same.
I think it's fine.
I think it's fine.
Yeah.
It's too light. Too
Yeah,
light.
it's too light, bro. We can move.
I think we should
Yeah, I think so. We'll just go in a little bit closer.
just a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck, it's heavy with that. I think that burley made it.
It's actually quite heavy, the anchor, I believe. But yeah, I think that might be all wet now, so it could be heavy.
Some weed. Well, so it got stuck. Dude. Can you give me the knife?
Yep.
Please. Just wanna punch it a little bit more.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe just a slit. One slit.
Let's move. other boat?
He's just there.
Okay.
He's going far.
I think rain is coming. It's just about to start, like in 15-20 minutes, I reckon.
Hopefully we can hide behind him.
Well, we have that
Yeah.
can. Should be okay.
No, but I'd rather get it unstuck now than when we go to move. Oh,
How did it stack? Like,
there's like a hook at the back of the boat.
oh, okay.
Ah, it's not a hook. It's the fucking bung. The bung has a T.
Ah,
Has
okay.
a T on the top.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Lucky I didn't undo it.
I assume this dry burley of bottle is gonna like discharge super fast, but it's actually not discharging at all. Like,
No, it's because you need to make a slit.
yeah. So, and I mean, it's kind of controllable, which is good
Yeah. No, I've had this problem lots. Because
because you don't want to just lose your burley. Like,
mine is
like,
going too fast at the moment. It's going to be gone in the next half an hour. But we brought some fish to the boat.
oh, I got a fish.
That's what we want to see, brother. That's what we want to see. Always like this. This is technique. Here. Technique, okay? You wrap one time, hold,
Yeah.
come down, not up. Not like this. Not like this. Always come down. And you won't get the spike. Okay? So come down. Put the thumb inside the gill, like so.
Yeah.
Hold upside down. Pop. They say that when the fish goes upside down, it goes to sleep. You heard this theory?
Nah,
He's relaxed, not kicking.
I have no theory for like getting fish off the hook.
Since Emilia is a gift from Jah, I will not follow your man.
Nice catch.
The knock has no trouble with your herb in me pipe.
Luckily, that wasn't the first fish of the day.
Lucky.
Because I will follow your rule like 100%.
It's good, man.
Yeah.
You must follow this rule.
It was on screen, by the way. But it doesn't really matter, to be honest, I think. If fish is there and if it's hungry,
It's gonna eat.
it's gonna eat everything.
Come on, boy.
What the fuck? What is this?
Come on. Oh.
What is this, guys?
It's never
Is it a good size?
same size,
Wow, cool.
I think. It's stuck on the motor. Come back to me. I didn't even notice.
That's cool. That's cool, Dad. That's a good one. A lot of fish on the soda, Dad. Dad, it's crazy. There's a lot of fish on sounder.
Yeah, bro.
Like, yeah.
That's it. Yeah, but like now.
Are you gonna put it on? Yeah, that's
Put on
cool.
now.
Let's see.
Look, there's fish there, look.
Yeah, a lot of fish. A lot of fish. Oh, fish on. Fish on, and I think that's a good one. That's legal. Maybe not. No, that's legal.
o'clock.
Sweet. Not bad. Another one. Oh, nice. Fuck, it didn't even start melting. Fuck that. That's what I said. It didn't even start melting. I'm gonna show you. That's fucking full of burley. Like, it didn't even start.
You just need a touch.
Fuck. Yeah.
Too much weight, too much weight. I can see the bend in the windscreen.
All good, all good. Don't worry.
All good. Yeah, go down some more.
Just
Down. Nice work up there.
very spread out.
No, that's a good size. We rolled in pretty hot too.
Okay.
No, this is good, bro. We're on.
Fuck.
Yeah, man.
I didn't tie it up. Ah, idiot. Luckily I didn't lose it. Yeah, it's working. Now we just need to an anchor.
It's exactly.
The bottle is full of burley. It didn't even start at melting. Okay. Interesting. Hey, it's working.
Bro, this is good, man. Trolling motor.
I mean, it's good to have one. Kinda you feel safer.
Bro, this is all good, eh? How fast are we going? 3.7 knots, maybe 4. 3.8. Okay, 3.9. That's not bad, eh? You know? know, for a small emergency.
Yeah, that's for sure.
I think
It's good to have one.
You want to keep going? No. Turn off?
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's go on a proper one.
Yeah.
So that's a big. No, that's a small one. Where this rain is coming from? What? There's no rain.
No, it's the snipper.
Fuck.
Okay, big fish, mate.
Oh fuck!
Yeah, boy.
Yep. Go on. Good fish.
Nice.
Wow. And I think that's Galway.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's snipper. Good snipper. Good size. Oh! Fucking orcas.
Seriously.
Killer whales. Yeah, right there.
But let me concentrate on my fish.
Yeah, man. Good snapper. Good snapper, this one, mate. That's what we've been waiting for. Good snaps. Yeah. Nice snapper. Yeah, brother, get him in.
I think that's the fish of the day.
I think that's a good fish.
Look what my head did. Oh, cool. Nice.
Nice fish. You kill? Oh wow, yeah, look. Big snapper came along and smashed that one.
Wow.
Oh wow. It's dolphins.
Wow.
All the way. Must be. Yeah, dolphins, brother.
Not too often you can see here dolphins.
No. And it's good we're here. When they're here. What bait did you catch a fish on?
Squid.
Squid. Nice.
And it was like you would confuse it with a small one because it was just bow and just like.
Yes. Nice.
But we just moved because I cast that direction.
Yeah, I think that's right.
And yeah, the tide just changed, I think. Wow, this is a good one.
Yeah. Does not feel like snapper. Feels like
Stingray.
something else. Not stingray. Maybe John Dory. Come on. What have I got?
Stingray.
No, stingray. I don't believe so.
What have you got?
The rock.
Fuck, man!
What the fuck?
Fish of the day, rock of the day.
Fuck. Oh man. Oh yeah, fuck. Oh fuck. Yeah, now he's fighting hard now. Oh fuck, fuck. Here he comes, one chance. Get him. Oh, hold on. Here we go. Hold on. I'll bring him in. Lovely.
Whoa!
Last fish.
It's last fish! That's the proper fucking fish, man! Wow!
Watch my toes.
Wow! Fuck! That's the biggest snapper.
I told you they're there. There's some big
Wow.
ones here.
Wow, that's
Oh,
a really biggie one. Wow, fuck me, man. Wow, that's cool. That's cool.
Yeah, boy.
Wow.
It's a big one.
Yeah.
I think
Ooh.
we should keep fishing.
Yeah.
Because if there's some more big ones, we can just put the small ones.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. Not bad for the last fish. Woohoo! And this is the circle hook.
Fuck me. That's
Got some weight.
yeah. Wow.
Maybe
That's
8 pound. Maybe.
That's for the whole chili bean.